Hey, what's going on? Raheem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, how much money do you need to start affiliate marketing? All right, so if you're super excited to learn what the costs are or what the costs aren't, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. So with that being said, guys, I want to jump right into the content for today. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to first show you how to start affiliate marketing for free, and then I'm going to show you if you're someone who has, you have a little bit of budget set aside to start your affiliate marketing business, I'm going to show you some tools that I actually use myself to build my affiliate marketing business. All right, so let's get right into it. So how do you start off for free? I mean, zero money. All right, so first off, you got to find let's go ahead and just type on Google. Let's go over to Google. The first thing that you need is you need to find an affiliate network. So what we're going to do, we're going to type affiliate networks for. All right, so we're doing this affiliate networks for bloggers, affiliate networks for advertisers, mobile apps, and so on, right? So the reason we're doing this is because we want a niche. We want to focus in on a specific niche. So affiliate networks for health, right? Here we go. Affiliate networks for health. Affiliate networks for dating. Let's just try that and see what comes up. All right, so affiliate programs, boom, right? So this is just where you get into like niching. So if you want it to only be focused on that and you want those type of offers, then you can go to these type of affiliate networks. Now, what I would recommend for somebody who's just getting started is either clickbank.com, right, which I've made money on, which is a trusted source, over 20 years in business. Also Amazon. Everybody knows what Amazon is. Amazon has its own program. So if we go to amazon.com, let me just show you how you would get started with that. So let's go to Amazon, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of Amazon, and you're going to see what it is that I'm talking about. All right, so you see this, make money with us. You see it says become an affiliate. You click right there, and boom, you see it says join now for free. Earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader. So literally all you would do is click there and fill out their application, and they are going to ask you for a website. If you have a Facebook account, that's literally all you need. Your link for your Facebook account, that's literally all you need for you to get started with this, all right? So you may be somebody that just doesn't have a website. So there you go. All right, so that's one affiliate network. You guys that are subscribers of mine, you see me talk about ClickBank quite a bit. They have also JVZoo, right? That's another affiliate network that you can get started with. But that's the first step in this whole phase. Now, after you get those affiliate networks, you find your offers, you get your affiliate links, you're going to need tracking, okay? Now, bit.ly, bit.ly is a tracking, it allows you to track your clicks. But here's the thing, it's free, okay? It's a free tool, but it gives you analytics, which is good, right? So you can literally use this to track your clicks, and you can also see where majority of your clicks are coming from, okay? Now, they do have a paid version of this, but you don't need it. You just need to put your link in here. Now, once you create your account, of course, it's not going to have this up there every time. All you have to do, matter of fact, let me just log in, right? I believe in showing. So let's go to since I use my Facebook to do it, let me go through my Facebook and show you what it would look like. All right. Okay, so you see right here it says create, right? You're going to hit create bit link, okay? And then you're going to put your affiliate link right in there, and it's going to create a short link for you, okay? So this is what the short link will look like. Boom, bit.ly, and then whatever code they give you. Or what you can do is you can name it yourself. So bit.ly rapid credit score 750, right? So you can actually name it. So this is going to allow you to track your clicks. As you can see, 28 total clicks on whatever link that it's on. 14 of those came from YouTube. So you can see it gives you what you need for free. Okay. Now, something else that you're also going to need is you're going to need an autoresponder. So this autoresponder called MailChimp is going to cost you $0. Okay. As you can see, this is real, guys. Free. Get your business up and running. So you start for $0 and it's going to stay $0. Now here are the requirements. So you get up to 2,000 subscribers before you actually have to start paying for it. Okay. Then, as you can see, the next level would be pretty much 10 bucks. But you get up to 2,000 people on your list, and it's free to do so. So this will be a valuable tool for you if you don't really have a budget, right? And you want to start this thing for free. Those are going to be the two resources that I recommend for you. Okay. Now, for the people who actually have a budget, right? Maybe you have a little bit more money to spend. I'm going to be showing you exactly the tools that I use because I believe in showing you things that me personally that I actually use instead of something that I don't use, but because then I can't give you a real review on it. Okay. All right, so let's move on to what I use. So first things first, you're going to need a capture page building software, something so you could just create a quick page real quick, maybe put a bridge video in between so you build a relationship throughout your sales process and then send people over to a product. So this is what I use to do so. So I am currently paying $47 a month. Okay, that's the first charge that I have that comes in every month. The next thing, which is Clickmagick, this is just like Bitly, but I think this is a whole lot better, right? Because I've been using this for some time. This right here costs me $17 a month. So I get up to 10,000 clicks a month that I'll be able to do if I was getting that many clicks per month, right? For the next level, as you can see, that's 100,000 clicks. So if you're getting a lot of traffic and you want to start tracking that stuff, this is going to allow you more clicks and more things that you can do, okay? But currently, like I said, I use 47, I use 17, right? And then over here, this is the autoresponder. So this is the same as this tool over here for the people who are going to use it for free and get up to 2,000 subscribers. This is my tool that I use, and I pay $15 a month. So let's do the math on that, guys, and see how much I'm spending per month to run my affiliate marketing business. All right, so online calculator. All right, give me a second. Let's go ahead and calculate that. So 47 plus 15 plus, what was the other one? 17. So as you can see, that's $79 a month for me to run my affiliate marketing business. So if you have a budget of $100, boom, you're good to go. Now, if you want to go a little bit further, right, you can pay $10, sometimes $10 to $12 to get you a domain. So how are you going to get you a domain? Because let me just show you guys, let me log in real quick so I can show you what you're able to do with Clickmagick. All right, so let's go in. And anytime that I create a link, guys, anytime, I'm able to use my domain. So you see when I hit create link, you see how my domain is showing up right there. So anytime I put any link here, that's why if you look in my description right now, you're going to see yourdreamsarereal.today. That's because everything, I track everything. As a professional, you have to track your stuff. You have to know your numbers, okay? So this is why these tools come in handy. All right, so as you can see, my domain is right there. That's because I use GoDaddy.com, right, which allows you to get a domain. Now, they do have 99-cent domains, right? But they also have, the average price is probably about $10 to $12 to get you a domain set up and running, right? And then you can just pretty much run it on Clickmagick server. And then boom, anytime you create a link, it's going to put the backslash, and then you can just put whatever you want to name it there. Okay, so yeah, that's the basis of what you really need to really run your affiliate marketing business. Now, some people spend $0 and they make a lot of money from it, but then again, there comes the skill set of knowing what to do when it comes to affiliate marketing. Okay, so hopefully you got some value from this video. If you did, if this helped you like figure out where you need to go, maybe like I said, if you don't really have a budget, then start off with these two here, Bitly and also MailChimp. But if you have a budget, these are the tools that I use. And what I like to do, guys, is I left a link down below in the description. All of these tools will be down below if you want to pick them up. But just so you're aware, anything that you click down in the description below, it will benefit me, right? So if you don't want it to go through my links, that's fine. You can definitely just go over to the site. All right, so with that being said, like I said, if you got anything from this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, tick that bell icon to be notified, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.